The 10-port SATA PCIe adapter by StarTech is designed to significantly expand your computer system's storage capabilities with the ability to connect up to 10 SATA drives. Featuring the ASM62 controller, it provides high-speed connectivity with a total bandwidth capacity of up to 8 gigabits per second, ensuring swift data transfer. This adapter boasts wide compatibility, supporting various operating systems including Windows, macOS, and Linux, making it a versatile choice for different users. Installation is straightforward with its plug-and-play design, and it can fit into both full-profile and low-profile computer systems, adding convenience for users. The adapter supports advanced storage management systems, such as Storage Spaces and RAID Assistant, facilitating efficient data management and RAID array building. Backed by a 2-year warranty and lifetime support, this product promises reliability and peace of mind for users seeking to enhance their system's storage capabilities.